Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to another crypto news episode. Today we're going to be talking about our favorite projects, some upcoming news, and some upcoming events that we can expect. Now, hey, what is going on? Welcome back to another crypto news episode. We're going to be talking about some of the projects that we're following here on the channel. And I'm not a financial advisor by any means. Let's get straight into it. So, SparkPoint is one of the tokens that people have been talking about recently on my channel, on the Discord, in the Telegram, in the on Twitter, and they've been asking about an update. So I don't want to do a separate video for SparkPoint. We had this little pump. Well, it's not little by any means because that was a 400% move in a single day. Well, in 2 days basically. But Tony Journey made a video about Spark. Well, he made a video and he talked about SparkPoint in that video. And they did have some, staking pools on their Twitter account, some info regarding those. So I think all that combined just had this nice little move for SparkPoint. Still, this is a lower high in terms of this trend. So we're potentially, if we're going to make a lower low, then we're in a continuous downtrend. But if we start getting down into these numbers over here below 0.001, then I would suggest you stock up if you want to hold for the long term, because you can see these gains with SparkPoint. They are there, but still I didn't like the way they handled their tier 1 listing. They didn't address it properly. So yeah, I'm still not going to be making any technical analysis videos for them. But yeah, that's it for SparkPoint. Next up, we have Radium. So in my Patreon, I did let some people know that I let my patrons know that I staked some Radium tokens to get potential allocations on their accelerator app or on their, accelerator over here. So they're going to have another project listing on January 24th. We're going to take, I'm going to participate. Hopefully we can win an allocation. If we do end up doing that, I'm going to share everything on Patreon. So feel free to check out my Patreon. The link is in the description. Great way to support me, but a great way for you to get a lot more exclusive content, video requests, technical analysis requests, and a bunch more stuff. So yeah, here on their Twitter, announcing full details for the Space Falcon IO Accelerator IDO on January 24th. Here they have the post and all the details regarding the allocations and all the deadlines and stuff. So I'm going to have this link in the description, but that's it regarding Radium. So it looks like PayPal is going to be creating a stablecoin. So American giant PayPal Holdings has reportedly confirmed its intent to launch its own stablecoin named PayPal Coin. The development of an in-house stablecoin was first discovered in the source code of PayPal's iPhone app by developer Steve Moser. Confirming the evidence found on the PayPal app, Jose Fernandez de Ponte, PayPal's senior vice president of crypto and digital currencies, told Bloomberg News, "We are exploring a stablecoin. If and when we seek to move forward, we will, of course, work closely with relevant regulators." So this PayPal logo was found inside of the PayPal app. So Moser's finding uncovered that PayPal is in the works of building PayPal Coin, which will be backed by the United States dollar. However, a PayPal spokesperson clarified that the source codes of the iPhone applications were developed in a recent hackathon. So it's great seeing all these companies get involved with crypto, and especially PayPal. And yeah, all the links are in the description for these articles and all the websites that I'm going to be on in this video. So it turns out that Mike Tyson is all in on Solana. So you can see that he tweeted about this on his Twitter page. All in on Solana, just coped a Catalina whale, pow pow. So the legendary boxer who attached a Catalina NFT issued on top of the Solana blockchain. Tyson also started promoting a Dream ERC20 token, claiming that the token could revolutionize the space and help the community deal with mental health issues. So that's a good thing in my opinion. As reported by You Today, Iron Mike asked Twitter to decide whether he should choose Ethereum or Solana. Well, I mean, that's an easy answer in my opinion. In June, he asked his 5 million followers the same question about Bitcoin and Ethereum. Easy answer in my opinion as well. Bitcoin. So yeah, it's great seeing all these celebrities get involved with crypto. They're going to bring in masses, and that's actually, mass adoption, because imagine how many people are going to get into Solana just because Mike Tyson got into it. I think that's why it's having a little bit of a move to the upside today. Next up, jumping into Polkadex on their Twitter page over here. So they are preparing for the upcoming parachains. So yeah, they're pretty oversold right now. If we take a look at the Polkadex token over here, hold up a second. So yeah, I did buy quite a few of Polkadex tokens. As always, all the buy alerts are in the Patreon. Nice uptrend over here on the 15-minute chart. But if I zoom out on the daily over here, you can see that it's running into the daily 20 EMA. And with the upcoming parachains, it can absolutely get overextended. So I'll be looking for some resistance over here at the golden ratio at $18.5. So yeah, Polkadex I think is going to do very, very well. If we take a look at the RSI, as you can see, it's, it's neutral, it's in the middle, not oversold, not overbought. So I think, huge things to come for Polkadex this year. And bullish news for all the Orion holders. So Orion Bridge is going to be available to the public on January 31st. Finally, people are going to be able to trade on ETH with almost zero fees. So the Orion Bridge is the first cross-chain bridge built on peer-to-peer communication via atomic swap technology. It enables users to trade popular assets across different blockchains without limits, delays, refused orders, or blocking of funds. Users don't lose ownership of their tokens until they receive the corresponding pegged tokens on the chosen network, eliminating the issues associated with other bridges in the market. So you can see that this is a very, very bullish integration for the Orion protocol. It's going to be integrated into the Orion terminal. And here they have the available assets on launch include Orion, USDT, USDC, Ethereum, FTM, and Link. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So I think we may potentially start a little run up for Orion until January 31st, and maybe a little bit of a damp after the release, because that's just what people like to do, right? They like to buy the hype and sell the news. But if I missed any more important news about any project that we're following on the channel, let me know down below in the comment section. Let me know what you think of the Orion Bridge. Thank you for watching. I'm going to catch you in the next one. Goodbye and good night. Also, guys, make sure to check out ExpressVPN. This is the best VPN we have out there. So if you want to protect your data and you want to protect your information from your local network providers from anywhere in the city, if you connect to a Wi-Fi network, you're going to be safe using ExpressVPN. So also you can battle censorship with a VPN. For example, if you live in Japan and you want to access the streaming content of a different country, let's say Canada, so with ExpressVPN you can change your IP address and you can access the streaming content on any basically streaming platform. So yeah, and for us in the crypto space, it's really important to keep our data and information safe. And for you US folks out there, it's really good to use a VPN sometimes because you get left out a lot of times with launch pads and different IDOs and ICOs. So yeah, you have a 30-day money-back guarantee, and also there is an exclusive deal for you. If you use the link in the description, you're gonna get obviously 30 days risk-free and 3 months for free if you decide to sign up for the 1-year plan. But yeah, the links are in the description. Make sure to check out ExpressVPN. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna catch you in the next one. Goodbye and good night.